Hey guys, it's the Gadget Inspector SA. So today we'll be looking at this badly spec'd and yet confusing device from Samsung. Firstly, this phone is the A04, and seeing how Samsung started this lineup with the A01, which was a phone from late 2019 and throughout 2020. That phone was quite capable for its price. Then fast forward 3 years later, we have a very bad underperforming device from Samsung. So let's talk about it. So let me give you the specs of this device. This is a 4G LTE device, plastic main body with 192 grams of weight, housing the MediaTek P35 octa-core processor, 3 GB of RAM with a 720p 60Hz IPS LCD display with 270 pixels per inch, housing dual camera system, 150 megapixel and another 2 megapixel, and of course the massive 5000 battery with charging speeds of 5 to 7 watts max power. And well, these specs are nothing new to the ear, and still having the digital 2D face recognition system, which is less secure, and Samsung didn't even try to put a side fingerprint sensor. It's all digital, and that is very unsecure. This is actually where this phone I think gets better. With cameras, with the 50 megapixel main lens and a 2 megapixel depth sensor, I believe this is a good sensor, even though there's less processing done in the background, so I believe in some simple shots. These are all unedited. Enjoy. And these phones really do look similar, but you can let me know down below if I should compare this phone with its bigger brother, the Galaxy A04s, for the next comparison video. Alright, so let me know what your thoughts are on these pictures down in the comment section. So, this is my final thought on this phone. The Samsung Galaxy A04 is a low-end phone from Samsung, recommended for younger people or someone on a tight budget, and he or she wants a device that works, social media, and a few low-demanding games to be played here. Will be fine, because you can't do more than that on this device unless you want continuous stutters, lags, or app crashes. And I'm hoping Samsung might try to improve with the Galaxy A05 next year, with maybe improved security system or better performance. And well, that's it from me today. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Enjoy your day. Peace.